Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Pauline from My Crafting Hut. Coming on just to show a few of the concepts that I'm still working on. Small and expensive concepts. Still unloading all of the stuff that I have from before the holidays, Christmas and Mother's Day. So yeah, so just some small concepts. This here is a bowl that I got from, let's see, Hobby Lobby. They come, I think they come 5 or 6 in a pack. And so I grab couple packs of those, and I'm went ahead and use the Dollar Tree products in here. This is a one of those microfiber cloths that I just folded a few times like a triangle and then just put a ribbon on it. Call it a day. This one here is another DT products. This one I went ahead and I folded a washcloth and I folded it like a triangle and then I just placed it around the products in the container here instead of let's go ahead and show you what I did here. So yeah, so in there we have a packing and we have a products and then this washcloth. I just folded it like that, then folded it again like that, and then I went ahead and I placed it in here. Let's get it back in there. And then I put a little bit of thread. And yeah, so simple concept. So go ahead and put that back down the way I had it. So yeah, so I'm going to do a few more like these because I need to get rid of this stuff. So I'll do a few more just like this, different colors. This is the other one, uh, Dollar Tree, all Dollar Tree products except for the socks. The socks came from Temu. I bought those a while back. So yeah, Dollar Tree. This is another one of with the towel wrapped around it. And then I'll show this last one. I have this one here. This one has this one has a little candle that candle soap that I got from Dollar General a while back. And this helped the conversation cards. So yeah. And put that bath bomb back there. And yeah, so again, Dollar Tree. So we are going, I'm going to go ahead and wrap all of this. And I have about maybe 20 more of these that I can make, hope probably today or tomorrow. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap these out. So thank you for watching this video. If you stayed long enough to get to this point, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the comment. Hit the share. I do appreciate you all. So thank you so much and have a blessed day. See ya.